Hello guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. A lot of you have asked me to show effective home remedies to cure pimples, pimple marks, scars and pigmentation. So in this video, I am going to share with you 5 most effective remedies to solve such skin related issues and also to give you clear skin with regular use. The remedies I am going to share with you are my personal favorites as they have actually helped me and my friends to cure many skin related issues. So let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. And also keep on suggesting me new topics in the comment section. The first one is nutmeg face pack. Actually, this recipe I got from my mom. Well, let me tell you, my mom has never used any cosmetics in her entire life and she has never gone to any salon as well. Still, she has clear, healthy and blemish-free skin. Okay, so for this face pack, the main ingredient we will be needing is a nutmeg. Nutmeg, which is also known as jaifal in India, is an exotic spice. If you have acne-prone skin, then you must include nutmeg in your daily skincare routine. Take a mortar and pestle and add a bit of raw milk, approximately 1/4 teaspoon. You can substitute raw milk with coconut milk. Now rub a nutmeg in this raw milk until the milk becomes pinkish and the consistency becomes creamier. Take a cotton bud and dip it in this mixture and apply this paste on your breakouts. Keep it until dry and then wash your face, or if it suits your skin then you can keep it overnight as well. Keep it on until dry and then wash your face. Or you can keep it overnight as well if it suits your skin. Regular use of this will fade away your scars and pigmentation, and if you have pimple prone skin, then this mask is your ultimate solution. Nutmeg has amazing water absorbing and drying up qualities which dries up the pimples. Nutmeg is excellent in treating pimples and any other skin infections because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg contains magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin B1 and B6. It enhances our skin complexion with regular use. Nutmeg is most useful ingredient to even out pigmentation. Nutmeg oil shrinks our pores because of its astringent properties. Second is Chironji face pack. Chironji, which are also known as Charoli in India, are nutty flavored seeds which are majorly used in many sweets and food recipes in India. Chironji seeds are rich in vitamins and minerals which are very beneficial for healthy skin. There are 2 methods you can make Chironji seeds face pack. In the first method, soak half a teaspoon of chironji seeds in 1 teaspoon of raw milk overnight. And the second day, make a fine paste out of it using a mortar and pestle. Or you can take half a teaspoon of chironji seeds and make a powder using a mortar and pestle. And then gradually add raw milk, blending both together to make a smooth paste. You can substitute raw milk with coconut milk. Dab a cotton bud into this paste and apply it on your pimples. Let it dry and then wash. You can also add a little more raw milk or rose water to make the consistency thinner and apply on your entire face as a face pack. Once it dries out, massage gently and exfoliate your skin. In the end, wash your face to remove the leftover mask. This face pack will moisturize your skin and will remove dark spots and blemishes. The regular use of this face pack will even out your skin tone, removing all the scars and pigmentation, and will heal the pimples. Apply this face mask at least once a week to get clear and glowing skin. Chironji seeds contain B vitamins such as vitamin B1 and B2. They also contain vitamin C and niacin, which are extremely beneficial to maintain healthy and glowing skin. Chironji seeds are natural coolants with anti-inflammatory properties which soothes and heals sunburn or pimple-inflamed skin. Tea tree essential oil face pack. This is my all-time go-to remedy for pimples, dandruff or any other skin related issues. It is super easy and effective. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Stir and dab a cotton bud into it and apply it on your pimples. Adjust the drops quantity according to how your skin reacts to tea tree essential oil. Don't exceed 5 drops. To prevent future breakouts, take your night cream and add a little amount of this mixture in it. And apply this on your face. Do a light massage and keep this overnight. Please be extra careful, tea tree essential oil doesn't go into your eyes. You can apply it every day until you achieve the desired result. Regular use of this will prevent your skin from breakout, and also it will fade away the scars and pigmentation gradually. According to me, everyone must have at least 2 essential oils with them all the time, which are lavender essential oil and tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil has antimicrobial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect to treat pimples and any other skin related infections. Tea tree essential oil is very strong, so you need to dilute it with any other plant-based oils, and nothing can beat coconut oil when it comes to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. The best alternative to coconut oil is aloe vera gel with tea tree essential oil. If you have pimple prone skin, then make tea tree essential oil your best friend. Barley flower face pack. Barley, also known as jav in India, has many skincare benefits. Take 1 teaspoon of barley flour. Add half a lemon to it and mix. Add half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can skip aloe vera gel if it is not suiting your skin type. And a little rose water to form a fine paste. Dip a cotton bud into this paste and apply it over your pimples and wash away when completely dry. You can also apply this on your face as a face pack. Slowly scrub away the mask once completely dry. You can immediately see the results as this face pack will make your skin soft, smooth and glowing. Regular use of barley face pack brightens our skin tone and reduces pigmentation. Barley is packed with a lot of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals necessary for a healthy skin. Zinc content of barley prevents our skin from breaking out as well as heals the wounds. The selenium content of barley helps to maintain our skin's elasticity. Because of its anti-inflammatory property, it reduces acne and fights other infections. Green tea face pack. First, boil 1 cup of water. Add 2 green tea dips into this hot water and let them steep for 2 minutes. Now take a face towel and dip it in this hot freshly brewed green tea and keep it over your freshly washed face for 5 minutes. This will open the pores and green tea will clean the pores. Now cut open the used green tea dips and add wet green tea leaves in a bowl. And add a little honey to form a paste. Now take a cotton bud and dip it into the honey and apply it over your breakouts first. Then apply this green tea and honey paste over your entire face as a face pack. Once the face pack dries out completely, scrub your skin with it gently and remove the mask and wash your face. Regular use of this face pack will brighten your skin complexion as well as it will keep your skin well nourished and moisturized. Green tea has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties which makes it effective against pimples and other bacterial infections. The vitamin B2 in green tea rejuvenates our dull, lifeless skin and makes it healthier. Raw honey contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Also, honey contains essential amino acids, fatty acids, vitamin B and antioxidants which protects our skin from free radicals and other breakouts, making it healthier, glowing and supple. Combining it with green tea makes an excellent combo to fight acne and to soothe the inflammation as well as fade away the scars and pigmentation. So that's it for today. I hope you find these methods helpful and effective. You can try out all the 5 face packs initially and then stick to the one which is the most effective for your skin type. I hope you find these methods helpful and effective. Make it a habit to apply these face packs at least once or twice a week for a month to see the visible difference in your skin quality. If you have any questions or if you want to share anything with me regarding this, then feel free to let me know in the comments. To know more, you can check out my website www.optfororganic.com. Do like this video and share if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.